I am wearing the wrong shoes for cold weather. I'm out today to pick up some light bulbs. I'm having some lighting problems. Lighting is the hardest part of doing this vlog. That's why I film a lot outdoors and in natural light, because it's much easier. Right now I'm trying to light a green screen properly. I'm having all kinds of problems, so I'm hoping to find some solutions today. See, this vlog is not really meant to be a chronicle of my daily life. If that was what it was, this is pretty much what you'd be watching. See, what I try to do is take little snippets out of my daily life that are interesting, fun, or powerful and use them to tell a story. Needless to say, this takes a lot more work. But let's face it, nobody really wants to watch me edit, film, or write music for 10 minutes, or even 5 minutes, or probably even 2 minutes. Not very interesting. Even with good planning, sometimes things just don't work out. The footage you wanted is too dark, it's too bright, there's something wrong with it, there's a booger in your nose. You just never know what you're gonna get. Or there are those occasions where the footage that you thought you got is just magically missing. Like maybe you didn't press the record button, which happens more often than you think. See, anybody can take a couple clips of what they did today and bump them together and throw it up on YouTube and call it a vlog. But to actually create coherent stories that make sense and are entertaining takes planning and work. So step one, I sit down with a pen and paper and look at what I actually plan to do today or that day, and then see what sort of story might be available to tell within the framework of what I'm planning to do. Then I go out and I do what I've got to do and I film some footage. Try to get lots of interesting shots and see what I see. Step 3 is editing, and this is where the hard work really begins. I sift through sometimes hours of footage and clip out everything I don't need to tell the story I want to tell, but still make it interesting. Step 4 is the piece that some people hate and some people love. You have to promote your video. I mean, who's gonna follow you or be interested in your material? So you have to find forums and of course your Facebook friends that might not know you have a vlog or any content that they can watch. I personally enjoy this piece because I get to interact with fans or people who vlog as well. I also get to interact with old friends on Facebook and everything. It gives me something to talk about. There are also plenty of forums out there where you can get feedback on your videos. Asking for feedback is one of the best ways to find people who could be fans of your channel. A general rule of thumb is that you should spend about the same time and energy marketing your film as you do making it, which means that if I spend 2 hours filming and editing or more, I should spend the same amount of time marketing that particular film. Now, this can be tough when you do a daily vlog and I'm producing material every day. So those are the 4 steps that I follow, and if you do everything right, everything works out in the end. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, fellow YouTubers. If you like what you've seen on my channel, please subscribe here. It goes a long way towards helping new viewers find my channel. Also, if you want to watch the last video I created, you can get that right here. And please leave me a comment. I love to interact with my viewers. Let me know how I'm doing.